back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see, we're going to make a kind of nice winter warmer soup with some yellow split peas or chana dal, whatever you call that. I've got some rosemary in there, potatoes, carrots, lots of garlic, and I've got some pork in there. You could be using bacon. Absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients for this. So here I've got some split peas, which I've soaked for a couple of hours, washed them through, got any little stones out, then I've boiled them. These take quite a long time to cook actually, so boil them nicely. I boiled them for about 1 hour. Some carrots, potatoes, tomato, onion, garlic. I'm using some rosemary today, and here I've got some pork. This is not bacon. You could use bacon if you want. This is actually belly pork that's cut really thin, but you could use bacon. Now all the list of the ingredients and the amounts are in the text below. We're going to start this off with a little bit of oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper, and we're going to add some stock. Today I'm going to be using some chicken stock. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so you're going to need a pot with a lid. In here I've got some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. We're going to start off by dropping in those onions. We're going to get in our pork or bacon. I'm going to drop in that rosemary now. Now you could be using thyme or tarragon, something else, you know, take it in a slightly different direction. We're now going to add some salt and pepper. And then we're going to start off by just cooking this for about 4 minutes on a kind of just above medium heat. So that's 3 or 4 minutes, just giving it a head start. We're now going to add in our split peas. Like I say, I've boiled these for a good while. Let's just grab one and, yeah, fairly soft, fairly soft. Okay, we're going to go for another 3 minutes. Just get that pork or bacon and onions and rosemary onto our peas. Fantastic. We're now going to add in that garlic. Now I'm using quite a lot of garlic. I want that to kind of come out in the flavours there. See a big flavour. Now, our carrots, our potatoes, and our tomatoes. If you wanted, you could get some sweet potato in here, some celery, or some other sort of vegetables. I'm just going with this today. And once again, 4 minutes, give it a stir every now and then. Then simply we're going to add our stock. Okay, so we've got all of our ingredients together now. Simply we're going to add some liquid. You could be using water if you want. I'm using a chicken stock, which I've got right here. And in that goes. So there's enough there to cover it quite easily. Now, super low, nice simmer. Get a lid on that. I'm going to let that go for an hour. And I'm going to stir it every now and then. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out for you. And there you go. You've got a really lovely, beautiful winter warmer soup. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.